At Titus, we constantly look for ways to optimize the furniture assembly experience. The Quickfit TL5 full metal jacket dowel provides optimum strength and performance in different wooden materials and assures ease of cabinet assembly. Its thoughtful design and innovative features guarantee peace of mind to furniture manufacturers. Quickfit TL5 is the only dowel on the market that reliably engages in 5mm dowel holes, and it overcomes drilling inaccuracies of ±1 mm from edge to hole center. With Quickfit TL5, you will also no longer need a different dowel for different wooden materials. It successfully performs in all of them, from solid wood to wooden composites. This is possible thanks to its high resistance to dowel pull-up, which provides a solid and rigid joint throughout the lifetime of the cabinet. For ultimate ease of assembly, Quickfit TL5 can be factory pre-inserted, which reduces the home assembly time by half. Now let's look at the main features of this high-performance dowel in more detail. We all know that in the flat-pack furniture business, the less items required for cabinet assembly, the better, and the less actions needed at assembly make it easier. Quickfit TL5 dowel with a barbed steel sleeve allows for hand insertion, which makes assembly quick and easy. Once the dowel is inserted, it only takes a simple turn of a screwdriver to lock the cam and the dowel into place reliably. Quickfit TL5 advanced design overcomes inaccuracies associated with the natural movement of wood panels or marginal drilling inconsistencies. Quickfit TL5 guarantees a fully tightened joint. Its self-adjustment design overcomes drilling inaccuracies of +1 to -1 mm from edge to hole center while still maintaining a reliable and high load capacity connection. Most manufacturers use different types of wood or wooden materials for their cabinets, and each requires the appropriate dowel, no more. Quickfit TL5 provides the same optimal performance in solid wood as it does in chipboard, MDF and other materials. Its technical versatility improves process line and assembly efficiency. Once the dowel is inserted, it only takes one turn of the screwdriver to ensure a strong and reliable joint. The strength comes from the expanding steel sleeve, which creates high resistance to torsion and pull-out. Quickfit TL5 will not loosen over time. The dowel will also continue to provide a reliable and consistently strong joint even if the cabinet gets reassembled after being taken apart. Quickfit TL5 dowels can be inserted in a factory production line. Pre-insertion can be done manually or automated by using the efficient fast fit machine, which is easy to integrate into the existing manufacturing process. Factory pre-insertion is perfect for the RTA market. It allows for easier packing and transportation and less damages in handling. And not only that, with factory inserted fittings, home assembly only requires a simple two-step place and fix procedure. Two cabinet sides are joined together and tightened with a turn of the screwdriver. This reduces home assembly time by an incredible 50%. It also eliminates the possibility of mistakes, thereby contributing to a reduction of after-sales claims. So, as you can see, the Quickfit TL5 is a great product that makes cabinet assembly easy from the first step. It can be simply pushed by hand into 5mm dowel holes. It overcomes drilling inaccuracies of up to ±1 mm. You can use it in all commonly used cabinet materials, from composites to solid wood. The result will always be a strong and reliable joint, thanks to the unique expanding steel sleeve that creates high resistance to torsion and pull-out. By pre-inserting connectors into the panels, home assembly becomes a simple two-step place and fix procedure.
The basic principle guiding us in our innovations within the cabinet connectors is our consumer assembly friendliness. Simply said, we want to make the cabinet assembly fast and easy, with less parts, easier mounting and less operations required. This is a key ambition for virtually every cabinet manufacturer, and we turned it into reality with our metal cams and dowels and the Quickfit TL5 on the top.